Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are considering the topic radicals. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel and you would like to, or you would like to be seeing more of my videos and learning more, you can subscribe. Press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and like my videos. When you do this, you will get my videos. Anytime I upload videos, you will see it. Now let's go back to the topic. Radicals. Radicals is a special type of, a radical is a special type of ion. In my last video, I treated types of ions. I talked about anions and cations. And this is another type of ion called radicals. If you would like to learn more about anions and cations, you can press the link below or check my channel for more on this topic. Now, I'm talking about radicals today. Why is a radical important? The knowledge of radicals. Very, very important because without it, compounds may not be formed. So if you have a good knowledge of radicals, you'll be able to combine them with elements to form compounds. Now, a radical is actually different from a compound. Why? Compounds are made up of two or more elements chemically combined, and they don't have charges on them. That is, they don't have any sign on them. But a radical is also made up of two or more elements. In fact, we define them as group of atoms of elements, usually with charges. They exist independently. That is, they form part of a compound. They don't exist alone. A compound can exist alone, like water, H2O. It's made up of hydrogen and oxygen, two or more elements, yet it has no charges on top and it exists alone. It's neutral. But a radical still carries a net charge, that is plus or minus with some numbers on it. Now, so you can still remember, if you can still remember, anions and cations, they also carry charges. One is positive, the other one is negative. The anions are negative while the cations are positive. And the anions are formed when elements gain electrons, which is negative. Now, and the cations are formed when elements gives out their electrons, which is also negative. They become positively charged. That's the cations. Now, but this radical, they have a net charge on them, a number on them, which represent the oxidation number of everything in the group. Now, this radical, one thing about them is that they cannot stand alone. They combine with an element to form compounds. So we define a radical as a group of atoms of elements, usually with charges. They cannot exist alone, but they combine with elements to form compounds. Now, if you want to learn more about formulas, you really need to be conversant with the charges that these radicals carry. Like the CO3 now carries -2 as a net charge. The SO4 carries -2 as well. SO3 carries -2. OH minus carries -1. Cr2O7 carries -2. PO4 carries -3. ClO3 carries -1. HCO3 carries -1. Then NO3 carries -1. Whenever you see a negative sign alone and there's no number, it shows that 1 is there, but 1 is negligible. So NH4 carries +1. Which is a positive radical. Then MnO4 carries -1. Now, why am I not giving you the real actual names of these radicals? Because I don't want to scare you yet. But if you would like to learn the name, how to name radicals, how to name compounds, you really need to check my videos on that. I've made some videos on naming a chemical compound and the calculation of oxidation number. This will really help you to be able to name a compound, or when you see a formula, you'll be able to translate it to name, or when you see the name of a compound, you'll be able to change it back to their formulas. So this is all about radicals. Let me give you an example of how a compound is formed here. Assuming calcium Calcium has atomic number of 20. You've learned the first 20 elements and the atomic number is in the position 20 and the symbol is Ca, capital C, small a. This is calcium. Now, calcium has atomic number of 20. If you arrange it, you have the 2 on the first shell, 8 on the second shell, 8 on the third shell, and 2 on the last shell. This 2 is plus 2 because it will be given out. So it becomes plus 2. Now, let me pick a radical here that combines with calcium ion. The radical is CO3. CO3 carries a charge of minus 2. Now, if I want to merge these two, because they have equal charges, just the signs are negative, they cancel out. And then you have CaCO3. Now, I'm going to give you one that will involve exchanging their valences. Let's look at sodium. Sodium is 11. The atomic number is 11. So we have 2 on the first shell, 8 on the second shell, 1 on the last shell. So it means that sodium will give out the only 1 valence electron it has, instead of gaining 7 more to become positively charged. That's plus 1. Then let's look at CO3 as well. I'm going to use CO3. So CO3 carries minus 2. Now, considering these two, how will a compound be formed? You exchange the valences. Now, we end up having Na2CO3. In this case now, the signs, that's a positive and the negative, will not be indicated because they are down, as they are here, they are representing the number of atoms of elements. So we have 2 atoms of sodium, 1 atom of carbon, 3 atoms of oxygen. The 2 on the CO3 comes down here, while the plus 1 goes to the other side, which does not mean anything, so we just leave it there. If you would like to learn more about formation of compounds, watch out for my videos on that. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and like and also share my videos. If you would like your friends to learn more about it, share, and continue sharing. God bless you.